on, guys? Out here riding with Juliana's dad and Juliana on the back. There's Juliana saying hi. Don't have the sissy bar on the bike today, so Juliana's a little freaked out. She's holding me so tight. Yeah, her dad, he's riding a Kawasaki Versus. I couldn't remember what it was he was riding either, but that's what he's got. He's got a Versus 1000. Well, Juliana needs to get her head back. She keeps smacking me in the back of the head with her helmet.
Onde é que vais pôr gasolina? Okay.
He's keeping his foot down. That's funny. I don't know. That's funny. I don't know why he's got his foot down. Oh man, he's a character, that's for sure. Yeah man, it's been fun riding around, just hanging out with the family. Like I said, it's hard. I hardly ever get the chance to ride around with people, so yeah. Normally when I have Julianne on the back, I always have a sissy bar, so she has something to lean back on. But right now she's kind of afraid she's gonna fall off the back without a sissy bar. So I'm trying not to make too many sudden starts. Now yesterday I ordered a quad lock because I saw her brother using that. So I'm gonna hopefully get that thing in soon and test that thing out. You know, I don't know. See how that actually works out. I like the OtterBox, but kind of like the thought of the quad lock thing. I think he's gonna get gas where her brother got gas yesterday, so that works out. I think I'll be good on gas, I think. Alright, just got out of gas and out of the gas station, so now we're back on the road. I don't know where he's going to take us. Yeah, it's definitely nice having someone to ride with. I like that. I need to find more people down where I'm at to just go on rides with. Oh man. I tell you, this helmet does look so good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we went and come down this way yesterday. I don't know if he's going to take us the same direction or not. I don't know. He doesn't really know where we went, I don't think. Either way, it's still a nice ride. Dang, I still should have brought my drone. I tell you, she is going to leave little marks on the back of my helmet. Look at him. She keeps bumping the back of my helmet. I'm going to have little marks on it. She's getting the hang of it though. She's not holding as tightly as she was at first. I think we took a right yesterday, so that works out. A little bit different area. Amish furniture, okay. Well, Amish store. Aldi. We're in Aldi, Virginia, I'm going to imagine. That's cool. I just hope he keeps us in Virginia. We go across into Maryland, that's not going to be a good thing. I got my gun. Kibblebacka bros. And there's a Porsche right there. I got a Street Bob and looked like a Victory maybe. Hot pizza. Get some hot pizza down in your vineyard. That's funny. I don't know what that's about. Hey, this is a beautiful area it's taking us through. I don't know what it is, but I love stone walls. I don't know why I like it so much. There's something about them. They just look cool. It's got that old feel to them. Yeah, sorry, this is definitely not a, I haven't really been talking much because, I mean, I've just been enjoying the views. I can't even speak, man. That's one of the reasons I'm not talking, because I'm an idiot. That's an old bike, man. That's kind of cool. This is a cool little town. Look at this. Very old school, man. I like this. Look at all these. Look at that. That was cool. Guess we're stopping. What are we doing?
We can walk.
Oh.
Green Hill, the one that was on the left. Foi esse que eu fiz o cabelo e a pintura para as caras.
I have lost every word that they're saying right now.
It was the hair and makeup that I made, that
Okay.
I did for the movie.
Yeah.
It was at Green Hill. It
All
was
right.
a short film. You're supposed to get this part on camera.
It is. It is. It's on. I don't know.
Famous.
12 seconds later.
We're back on the road now. So, had a nice little, stopped, got a little Coke here at the Coca-Cola, that is, out here in Middleburg. Middleburg is where we're at. I wasn't sure exactly where we were. But this is a cool little town. Definitely a rich part of town. Yeah, I enjoyed that. We ate. We didn't eat. We just got something to drink and then walked around. Just around one little block there. Just her dad does road work out here, and he was just telling us stories and stuff of having to. Because everything in that town is historic, and you have to keep everything as original as possible. And if you pick up a brick, you have to set it back in the place it was at. So ridiculous. The person sit there made us wait, and then they're just going 2 foot down the road. Yeah. Said you could have just walked. Oh, look at that McLaren. I'm not sure why I like roundabouts so much, but I do. They need to have more of those in America, man. I don't know why they don't. They're scary to people that don't know what they're doing, but he didn't wave at me. There's a weird gold dog. Well, it looks like we're getting closer to our house again. I think we're gonna have to sign off now. So, yet again, don't want to show off where our parents and family live. So, like I said, next time y'all definitely will see me. I'll be back home. So, I know I said that on the last video, but it'll definitely be true this video. Yeah, with that, make sure you like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It'll get you notified with anything else that I post that's new. So with that being said, we'll holler at you later. Peace.